Do you want to give your videos a strong and dramatic look? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add glowing dark wings effect in CapCut Mobile by just using built-in video effect features. Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Choose the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Tap Effects from the bottom toolbar, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available categories and you can use the search bar to search for glowing wings. Tap the effect to preview it on your video. The animated wings will appear behind the subject with a glowing effect. You can also make some adjustments. Click on the Adjust button and slide the slider all the way you want. Drag the ends of the layer to make the effect longer or shorter. Play the video before exporting to make sure that the effects line up with your scene. And there you have it! That's how you add animated wings effect in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep creating, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.